Hello guys and gals, how are we doing today? Welcome back to Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. As you guys know, we swap shop cards back and forth, and it's probably one of the coolest things we do on YouTube these days. That's the thing about the modeling community. Good Lord, I can't speak. Anyhow, we like to connect with each other, and just, we like to know that there's other modelers out there that like the same things we do. And a good way to do that is connect with shop cards. There's so many talented artists out there that create their own shop cards, and I'm just amazed at how many talented people are out there on YouTube building models. Pretty cool thing about the shop cards. If you guys want one of mine, let me show you what I got here. Here's my shop card. Send me an email down here and I get one sent out to you, and I got a bunch of stickers I can get out to you also. But a lot of you guys have mine. If you guys want mine, just send me an email and let me know. But it's going to be kind of a rant today. I sent a guy an email a couple weeks ago, and he sent me out a shop card, and it got here yesterday. I'm really upset at the result that I see. It was from Papa's Model Workshop. This card here. Papa's a great guy. He's done a bunch of great videos, and the last couple of videos he did was on how to keep the hobby alive. Really great editorial type stuff. And Papa, man, I appreciate you sending out the card to me, and you got some great videos, but let me lower you guys down and see what I'm dealing with today. Hang on just a second. Besides, Shaggy wants to be in the picture today. Let me move this crap out of the way. But yeah, look at the state of this shop card, people. If anybody's watching this that works for the United States Postal Service, you guys ought to be ashamed of yourself. This is just uncalled for. It's not. This is unacceptable. This is a tragedy. Look at it. It looks like somebody wadded this card up. This is unacceptable. I'm kind of pissed off about it. I'm pissed and mad about it. I mean, just like that song with those Texas Hippie Coalition, the song they have, pissed off and mad about it. Well, that's my state right now. This is unacceptable. I can't believe that the Postal Service would allow this to happen. This is how it came in my mailbox. This is just ungrateful to the guy that spent the time to create this shop card and send it out to people to his followers, subscribers. This is unacceptable. Postal Service, you guys suck. This is just, yeah. I can't stand this kind of crap. It just pisses me off. Sorry, I'm getting a little upset, but this is uncalled for. It looks like somebody wadded it up and threw it in the back of the. This is just damn aggravating. And I look forward to getting you guys cards, so I can display them just like I do with the others. And I've also, hang on, sorry guys, I'm getting a little. And see, I got plenty of others up here on display. I love getting you guys shop cards, but this is just absolutely incredibly unacceptable. I cannot believe that the Postal Service allowed this crap to happen. Papa, man, I'm so glad you sent out the card, and I apologize for the state that it's in when it got. Look at this. I don't know how do you do that? How in the world? I mean, I don't get it. Is there a vendetta against me or something? I don't get it. This is stupid. It looks like somebody took it and wadded it up and just intentionally screwed up the ink on this thing. What? I know Papa didn't send it out this way. Papa wouldn't do that. Papa's a great guy. He wouldn't intentionally do this crap. This is stupid. Sorry guys, I'm ranting a little bit, but U.S. Postal Service, you guys need to investigate this crap and see what the heck went on with it. This is unacceptable for any reason. This is just, sorry, it just blows my mind how inconsiderate some people can be. I mean, look at that. That's just. I'm actually surprised it's still in one piece. This is crazy. Sorry, guys. It's just a little bit aggravating. I mean, here I was looking forward to displaying a really cool shop card from Papa's Model Workshop. I mean, Papa took the time to design this thing and make it and print them, get them printed, and pay for the printing and shipping and all that crap. And now look at it. It's just like, I don't know. It's like somebody pulled it out of the trash. Sorry, Papa. Sorry you guys had to hear me rant about the incredibly insincere U.S. Postal Service we have. This is just ignorant. It's crazy. Sorry. But anyhow, rant over. Sorry about that. I just had to get on here and tell you guys how I felt about that. Let me get another drink of coffee before I blow up. Anyhow, guys, Shaggy says hello. You see, Shaggy's a little bit bewildered by it himself, so it's just crazy. Sorry, guys. But anyhow, that's what I had to get on here and show you guys how just incredibly insincere they were about doing that. But sorry, guys. That's my short little rant. I apologize if I upset someone. But I just had to get on here and show you what I was dealing with yesterday. You guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember, be happy in your hobby. Right now, I'm not too happy with that kind of crap. But anyhow, I guess that's all I had to say today. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.